Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best PureSource water filter is probably one of the most essential appliances in your home, ensuring you have access to clean and refreshing water. But with so many options available, choosing the right water filter can be overwhelming. In this video, we'll dive deep into the Frigidaire Puresource Water Filter, exploring its features, performance, and whether it's the right choice for your home. Number 5. Waterdrop WF1CB Refrigerator Water Filter, 3-pack. This Waterdrop filter is a replacement for various models, including WF1CB, WFCB, and many more. It's designed to fit perfectly, ensuring you get clean and refreshing water. This filter offers a versatile solution for your refrigerator. This filter uses a 100% Sri Lankan coconut shell carbon block. It effectively reduces impurities, providing you with great-tasting water. The advanced filtration process ensures your water is clean and safe. You don't have to worry about leaks with this filter. It's made with precision and fits just like the original. Installation is tool-free and takes only minutes, making it convenient for you. Unlike filters using coal or other materials, this filter uses a superior coconut shell carbon block. It has a larger surface area and more micropores, improving the taste of your water. You'll notice the difference in every sip. Keep track of your filter's lifespan with the included month install stickers. They help you monitor when to replace the filter, ensuring you always have access to pure water. You'll know exactly when it's time for a change. What we like. This filter offers great value without sacrificing quality. It effectively removes impurities, ensuring clean and great-tasting water. If you are looking for a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on performance, you should consider this. What people say. Works great and easy to install. Fit great, good quality water pressure seems fine. Easy to install. Works well. Number 4. AQUA CREST WF1CB Refrigerator Water Filter, 3-pack. Introducing the AQUA CREST WF1CB Refrigerator Water Filter. This filter offers excellent filtration performance, comparable to the original brand. It's designed to provide you with clean and refreshing water. This filter utilizes a 100% coconut shell carbon block to remove impurities. It effectively reduces chlorine, bad taste, and odor, ensuring your water is of the highest quality. The AQUA CREST filter is designed for a perfect fit, just like the original. Installation is quick and easy, taking only a few minutes to complete. The filter uses high-quality coconut shell carbon block for enhanced filtration. The larger surface area and more micropores increase efficiency, removing various contaminants. Each filter comes with stickers to mark the installation date. This helps you keep track of usage, ensuring you replace it on time for up to 6 months or 200 gallons of pure water. AQUA CREST uses BPA-free and food-grade materials. It's certified by NSF 372, guaranteeing the filter housing is lead-free, ensuring your safety. What we like. This filter provides excellent filtration, removing a wide range of contaminants. The perfect fit ensures easy installation and prevents leaks. If you prioritize safety and want peace of mind, you should consider this. What people say. The water tastes great. It is easy to install. The filter is easy to change. Number 3. AQUA CREST Refrigerator Water Filter, 6-pack. Introducing the AQUA CREST Refrigerator Water Filter. This filter offers excellent filtration performance, comparable to the original brands. It is certified by NSF 42 and 372 standards. This filter uses a 100% coconut shell carbon block to remove impurities. It effectively reduces chlorine, bad taste, and odor from your drinking water. You will enjoy the clean and fresh water. Designed for a perfect fit, this filter is easy to install, just like the original. The installation process will only take you a few minutes. You can do it yourself. The AQUA CREST filter uses a 100% selected coconut shell carbon block. It has a larger surface area and more micropores for efficient filtration. It removes impurities and heavy metals. Each filter comes with month install stickers to remind you of the replacement date. It provides up to 6 months or 200 gallons of pure water, depending on your water conditions. The AQUA CREST filter is made with BPA-free and food-grade materials. It is certified by NSF 372, ensuring it is lead-free and safe for your family. You can use it with confidence. What we like. This filter provides excellent filtration, removing a wide range of contaminants. The perfect fit ensures easy installation and prevents leaks. If you prioritize safety and want peace of mind, you should consider this. What people say. The filter is easy to install. The water tastes great. It is a genuine Frigidaire filter. Number 2. MARRIOTTO WF2CB Water Filter, 2-pack. This MARRIOTTO water filter is designed to provide you with the best water quality. The premium coconut charcoal block effectively reduces impurities while retaining essential minerals. The MR3 water filter meets NSF 42 standards, ensuring its quality and safety. Laboratory tests show that it removes 97.9% of chlorine, improving the taste and smell of your water. This filter is compatible with various models, including WF2CB, FC100, and Puresource 2. It's designed to be a convenient replacement for many different filter types. For optimal performance, replace the filter every 6 months or after filtering 300 gallons. This ensures you always have access to fresh, clean water. We are confident that you will be satisfied with this product. We are committed to providing you with a great experience and high-quality water filtration. What we like. This filter uses premium coconut charcoal to effectively reduce impurities while retaining essential minerals. It is certified to NSF 42 standards, ensuring quality and performance. If you value both clean water and a great taste, you should consider this. What people say. The water filter works great. The water tastes great after using this filter. It is easy to install. Number 1. FPPWFU01 Water Filter Replacement, 2-pack. Installing this filter is a breeze. You won't need any special tools, making the process quick and simple. It's designed for your convenience. Save money with this efficient filter. It eliminates the need to buy expensive bottled water. It's a smart investment for your home. Enjoy clean and healthy drinking water. This filter removes impurities and enhances the taste of your water. It ensures you and your family have access to better water. This filter works with multiple models, including PWF1, EPPWFU01, and FPPWFU01. It's designed to fit seamlessly into your existing system. You can be sure that it will work with your refrigerator. This filter is certified to NSF ANSI 42 standards. It reduces chlorine and odors while retaining beneficial minerals. You can trust its quality and performance. What we like. This filter offers quick and easy installation without any special tools. It is a cost-effective solution, eliminating the need for bottled water. If you are looking for a convenient and affordable way to improve your water quality, you should consider it. What people say. The filter is easy to install. The water tastes great. It filters out impurities and makes the water taste much better. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.